Today, we're playing some more Hack or Wack.
First clip.
A mechanic life hack, instead of using all these wrenches to get into a tight place like this, use an air hammer with a flat bit and vibrate on the fitting.
Coming with the big boy toy.
Yeah, that's when you're doing like a lot of hydraulic stuff. You got those big boy fittings. It's a neat trick. It just seems like it would damage the nut.
It'll walk it right off.
Doesn't look like it did though.
No, it didn't.
Looks good.
I'll walk it out.
Is he just using that like flat attachment on the air hammer?
Yeah, I think so.
That's pretty cool. I think on those fittings too, like I would not, that he's working, it looks like a hydraulic system for like a bigger piece of equipment or something. I would not do this on a car. Yeah, it looks like the flat fitting on the air hammer.
It's flat.
That's a good idea, but on like most fittings for cars, they're usually like a soft metal, like brass or aluminum, and I don't feel like that would be good. But those are big boy fittings.
That's the big boy stuff.
For big stuff like that, I think that's a cool idea. I've never tried that before. I bet that works good.
Yeah.
Well, clearly. I mean, if you got something that's got like a it's a big old nuts on it. You can't say that without putting the emphasis.
If you're working with big nuts, you guys need a hack, okay?
You know, like on some like U-bolts, like for like rear leaf springs or something, I've seen like some big old nuts. Yeah, like that. Next hack. Oh no, I forgot we're playing a game. All right, is this a hack or is it whack?
It's a good hack.
I think it's a good hack.
When you go to the back of the truck, you see big old nuts.
Stop.
I'm gonna stop laughing right now.
You know, I just recently saw something. I feel like in the last couple of years is when I learned this. I think that's kind of neat. I like
those
that.
washers are.
Washers?
I mean, those.
The socket? Oh, you mean the clamps? The clamps. He meant the clamps. Those big old. Sorry. I shouldn't have done that. The clamps. The clamps. You know what a lot of people don't know about those clamps is that when you get them all the way like clamped together, like when you're clenching it, a lot of them have like a little lock in place that
Bruh.
and they'll lock open like that.
What the f***
Good, bro. Have you ever used the now I'm saying it full washer. Have you ever used a socket for a hose clamp like that?
All right. I'm good.
This just in. Sandro's good.
I'm good.
You liar!
A hack or whack? I think it's a hack.
I'll say hack.
A hack. All right. Next hack.
We just got back from SEMA and we could not have done it without today's sponsor, Turo. We needed something more specific than the usual car rental company can offer. As the largest car sharing marketplace in the world, Turo has a massive selection, so we could find what we needed through one of their local hosts. It's super easy. Turo is available at over 140 airports across the US and Canada, so you can skip the rental counter entirely. Just type the name of the airport in the search bar to see what vehicles are at or near that airport, then use the filters to find exactly what you need, and then you book. When you get off the plane, you'll have instructions in the app explaining how to find your vehicle. See? Easy. If you want to skip the rental counter, try Turo today. Click the link below. Thanks, Turo.
Just any timing sprocket using this tool, and you can do it much quicker and much easier than removing the entire belt and retiming it. Put it on this side and wind it in, one tooth towards each other this direction, so then we'd end up being two teeth out. Move this timing mark one tooth this direction. To get it to go up into the belt, we got to go counterclockwise. So counterclockwise, don't wind your finger up in there. We're gonna go nice and slow.
Let's see what he's doing there.
There's our snap. So I'll show him 1, 2. No, back in the direction. Yeah, line these up. I'm trying to see that works perfectly.
So that's neat and all. I don't know. I think I'm worried about the gear. I don't really, I mean, you could be gentle and try not to damage the gear, and that's fine and all. But a lot of engines don't like to be rotated in the opposite direction that they run. So if most engines, unless it's like a Honda engine, not all Honda engines, but some, they'll rotate clockwise. Some Honda engines will rotate counterclockwise. But I'd say if an engine rotates clockwise, it's not gonna like being rotated counterclockwise. It's not good on the tensioner. They'll talk about like it can cause it to skip because it'll create a slack where there's not supposed to be. But obviously we're trying to get the teeth to move here. I am of the thought that if you just do a little bit, that's not that big of a deal. Some people get really upset about it, and some engines probably get really upset about it, and some engines not as much. So this looks like an older engine. I don't know what that was off of.
Where's it go back? No idea.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think that's a Honda because it's got.
No,
That's weird. It's got like a little. I don't know what this is off of, but it does look like something a little older.
But they're coming up with new hacks how to do it, like zippy tie ones. There's always been a way to try to save your time and get that timing still straight when you're taking off another component.
Yeah.
So it's like, I take it as a hack. It's pretty cool.
Why did it jump to begin with? Would be a question.
Maybe he's putting the timing belt on.
And he's already got.
He's already like almost there. I've
had
that
all
situation.
The covers off.
I've had that situation where I lose my mind.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Like I keep missing it just by a little bit.
Especially on
like,
dual cam stuff.
How do I get you back?
Yeah.
Where you were at, you know?
Yeah.
And then you just grab the blade and cut it all off because you're so mad. Because you're like, that, I don't want to do it. Then you come back at it again because you have to buy another belt. So I feel like this is a pretty decent hack. I mean, anything that gives you a different idea how to move something, it's a hack.
Yeah, it's a little unconventional, and like I said, there's some things I don't necessarily like about it, but sometimes you're in a pinch and you got to get the job done. So, I'll go with it. We'll call it a hack. Next hack.
Man, y'all want to know something that really grinds my gears? It's those hard to find short to grounds on these damn fuses. So here I'm gonna learn y'all a little trick today. You're gonna grab here your little short finder. Put them right there on the fuse. Now make sure he clicks on real good, okay? Just like that. Grab yourself your favorite little chair. Open up your favorite type of brew. Just sit back and wait for the sparks to fly.
Insurance job.
Now, before you get impatient, results may vary. It may take some time. But 99.9% of the time, you find that sucker immediately. So just be patient.
Do you now?
Well, I mean, if you want to catch fire,
that's what. Yeah, it's a good insurance job right there, for sure. Real briefly.
Angelina, can you please explain to us? Since we know where you've been waiting to explain.
Please,
something.
put me in, coach.
What could go wrong and why you shouldn't do this?
So for those of you who don't know, your fuse is there for a reason. If you have a short to ground, then that means in the electrical circuit that you're trying to find a short, the load or whatever light bulb, heater, motor has been bypassed, and you end up with zero resistance in a circuit, which means amps go crazy high. Now the fuse is there to be a weak link, and it's to keep a fire from starting. So the fuse will pop to let the driver know, hey, something's wrong with this, right? Or the mechanic know. If that fuse is not there, ultimately, whatever wires are in that circuit before that short are going to get so hot that they catch on fire, and anything around it's going to catch on fire, and the car could possibly catch on fire. So the fuse is important and is a symptom, not the cause. And if you want to find a short, instead of putting this gentleman's little piece of metal, coat hanger, whatever you got going on there, I would recommend replacing the fuse with a load. Something like an old steel beam headlight would work perfect. That's what I use. And you put it into the points where the fuse goes in. So if the short to ground exists, the light will turn on, but at least you've given the electricity something to do, and you can jiggle around a harness, start disconnecting things, and when that light goes out, you know you have found the point to where that lease around where that short exists. So this is not a good way. This guy's definitely a troll, or maybe he's teaching you how to perform an insurance job to catch the car on fire so you can get it paid for, so you don't have to make your car payments
Can
anymore.
you also tell us how electricity works?
I'm so glad you asked. Miss A says it's whack.
Whack. I agree.
Wiggity whack.
I don't even try to question that. I agree.
Next hack.
Hey guys, here at Brian. If you have a strip bolt and no matter what you do, you can't get a good grip on it, it just keeps tripping, this is what you do. You're gonna go ahead and get a jack. Since we can't fit our sequence, we'll go ahead and jack it up. Now that we put the jack onto the ratchet in the car, all we're gonna do, go ahead and break it loose. There you go.
That's only gonna work if it's a flanged bolt. I don't be like a like that. It's only gonna work if it's a flanged bolt. He's pressing. He's pressing the side. No, it's like very Mean Girls-ish to of me. But the socket is pressing up against the flat washer-like part of the bolt, and that's causing it to grip. If it's not flanged, that's not gonna work.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a pretty good hack. I think it works for me.
On the bolt that, if it's a type of bolt that he's got going on there, it's definitely
You could also put
help.
like a piece of penny, jam it in there, and it'll grab in there.
to
like,
create some space there. Yeah, that's true
you could
too.
do that. You could put metal. You could put anything, piece of paper. It's just it gets a little bit more grip, and then you can put the jack up there, and it'll do his job. I like that.
I see people will put like sandpaper inside of the socket or something, anything to grab. There's special kind of sockets too for rounded off bolts too. So listen, technology's come a long way now. So I think it's got to be hard to turn the ratchet, I imagine. But his jack was pretty flat too, so maybe that helps out too. So.
That's true, because then the jack is pushing up on it, then you could break the ratchet. But I mean,
Thug life.
yeah. Is this a hack?
I think so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Me too.
Next hack. Okay.
Yeah, you can do that. That's cool. You could put a screwdriver in the top too.
You could have somebody press on the brake.
You can have a friend. If you don't have friends.
You don't have friends. Yeah, if you don't have friends, this way it works.
This is the way to do it. You talk to the tool. How's your day?
Thanks for helping me out.
How's
This
your
really
day?
means a lot to me, man.
How's your day? You use me all the time for everything. Can you just not for once in a while?
Just for once in your life.
Don't use me.
Yeah, this works out.
That works.
Yeah. Cool. I like it.
I don't know.
I'll call it a hack.
I'll put it.
Next hack. Smooth pour. Oh, whoa.
me see.
Wait a minute.
What's he got there?
Whoa, that's so good.
That's good. What's he holding on top? I don't know.
He's using like the flap, the like little that you rip off, and he's like making a flap.
No? You sure?
Yeah,
It's not a
look,
stick?
yeah.
Is that a stick right there?
No, that's not a stick.
It's not a stick in the middle?
I don't think so. Wait, what the hell?
Isn't that a stick?
What is in his hand?
It's a stick.
A stick?
It's a stick.
It's a screwdriver, right?
Yeah, a stick.
Oh, it's all no.
Yeah,
Wait,
it's
go
a
back.
stick
Is
and
it's
he's
the
pointing down.
dipstick?
Yeah.
A stick. I'm like looking for a wooden stick pull.
For those that don't know, sometimes I make up words, okay? But
That's
It's a
pretty
stick.
good. So it's a dipstick. A stick. Fool.
it's the same thing.
If somebody says stick,
sorry,
you just
dipstick.
Dipstick.
It's a stick.
That's actually pretty cool. All right.
Yeah, you go like this, and then you put the little stick,
I've never done that. Nobody's taught
stick.
me that.
and then you just like, and then you feel like you're doing magic.
That's pretty.
And nobody's
sick.
even looking at you.
And you're just
You're
like,
like, you guys should see
all
this
that
shit.
riz and nobody sees it.
Nobody's watching.
Nobody gives a. That's pretty cool.
That's a cool
Honestly,
hack.
I've never. I want to try that now.
Yeah, go try that.
Super cool. Definitely think it's a hack.
This fella is saying instead of taking these wire brushes and spending all that time cleaning up your corroded battery terminals, all you gotta do is put some hot water on there. I gotta go try this
It's true.
out. Let's find us a corroded battery. Bingo. All right, me and my boys, we gotta go
Like
try
that,
this out.
The boys, you see
All
them?
right, here we go.
It melts right off, dude. It works so good. Yeah. Like butter. Like melted butter.
It did take some corrosion off, but not quite like he should.
He's got like a rusty, like he's got rust as well too. But like the like chia pet corrosion, hot water takes it like right off, dude.
Chia pet.
Have you ever used hot water?
Not a chia pet.
Not on chia pets.
No,
Chia.
you're old.
They look like little
really
animals on the no.
Everybody that
Little fuzz
sees
balls.
it, Google chia
Chia
pets,
pet.
and that's how old she is.
That's how old I am
Yeah,
for sure.
that's pretty old.
When you got those little chia pets.
And she was
on
already
it.
old.
Already, yeah.
Already. So just imagine how old
Very.
she is now.
Very old. I have one at home.
She doesn't work.
I have a little
used
Grogu
to
at home.
Be drowning that. I just never grew. I was like,
I never grew. They're
bet.
so easy to throw. How do you make that up?
I just grabbed that. You probably grew over there when it was in the grass.
Probably. Yeah, hot water works. Brake clean works really good too.
Yeah.
Better than the cleaner that you'll buy too. I'm not a big fan of the like foamy cleaner. I don't feel like it works really good.
So Will Ferrell approves of that.
Will
saw him
Ferrell,
right there?
Step Brothers approved. I
Yeah, you
like
saw him.
that.
He was like-
Yeah. All right, hack or whack? Fool?
Hack.
Bulb will go through something you can't quite get at. Make sure you've got a spanner that's smaller than the front washer or nut.
Oh yeah.
And load up the spanners.
Uh-huh. There you go.
And your last spanner you use as a lever.
There you go. Yeah.
And it will pop out.
Yeah, I like that. I've definitely done that before. Hack.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Mechanics hate this no-mess hose trick. Grab clamps, yes, simple clamps. Place 2 on your coolant hose. See how pros keep it clean. Disconnect hoses without spills.
Mechanics
Genius
hate
car
this?
hack.
What did he
Like
say
and follow
that?
for more useful hacks.
But you're real proud of yourself with that one, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm kind of mind on that. It's like the best hack I've
You
ever seen.
pinched it off, yeah.
Mechanics don't want.
Why did he say that? Mechanics don't want you to know about that.
It sounded like.
I would have been like, that's cool, dude. But
Yeah, I think it's cool.
mechanics don't want you. Mechanics don't want you to know this.
Mechanics hate this.
They hate this.
They hate this no-mess hack.
Why you guys are giving my secrets out? I guess we can't.
Are we allowed to?
We're allowed to
call this a hack?
But we're gonna get hated on by
But
all
we-
mechanics.
We hate it,
So
but we
it's
love
not
it.
a hack?
You're telling everybody our secrets. Oh man, what are we gonna do? We're gonna be out of work because some douchebag on TikTok showed everybody our hack.
So
Thanks,
we're gonna
man.
say it's not a hack, so like that, you know, you guys don't find out,
I'm not really good at winking.
you know. You look kind of sick right there. You good?
Just having a seizure. I'm tired of watching YouTube videos. You want to go try these hacks out?
Let's go check them
Go
out.
check
you
it
know
out.
what? So meanwhile, just click here.
Please
whatever.
subscribe.
Subscribe.
If you like us, subscribe.
Even if you don't like us,
Please
just-
subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Just
regardless.
subscribe anyway. Subscribe
not?
either way.
It's just a button.
Do us a solid.
I see you. Push the button.
Like that. Peace out.